Fitzgerald at second, Reagan Fowler at first. Here's the stretch runner going. Alame's got a great jump. Throw to second, never going to get him. Corey set, pitch, chop to short, could be 2. 3 hops, Alame will take it himself. 1 throw to first. Of course, you've got that, as there's a high fly ball to right that's going to hang up in the wind. Racing in is Kaplan. Going out is Deschamps. Got 2 outs in the 4th. And the 2-2. Swing and a miss. Struck him out when he hit. He'll face Deschamps, who drives it to deep left. That's way back. Murray looking up. It is off the base of the wall. 330 feet away. It'll be a sliding double for Garrett Deschamps. A little bit of a hiccup last inning. It has been very sharp here. Now, as I say that, he hangs a breaking ball and Hope whacks it into left center for a base hit. Up the middle for the run. Here's Lex Kaplan. Shoots it down the left field line. That's in the breeze. That's way back. It is gone. All right, Corey set. Check of the runner. Swing and a miss. He struck him out. And that will do it. 2-2. Curveball, fly ball, very deep left. Drifting back is Murray. Drifting back, looking up. It is in the net. It is a home run. Roll 2. 1-2. Flare down the left field line. Johnson will make a nice catch. Belt. 3-2. Curve chop to short. Alamese is going to come home. He is out by 10 feet. High pop-up that should stay in play behind the plate. Will it? Rogers off with the mask. Makes the catch. 1-2, slider rolled to short with the runner going. Only play will be to first. It's in time. Alamese is headed to third. He'll make it. That's a heads-up base running play right there by Stephen Alamese. And now Murray all by himself in deep left as they shade Williams the other way. 2-1. Shot to center, base hit. There's a 2-out knock, and there's a run. That is a big RBI by Hunter Williams. Royale battle on the field. Swing and a miss. Struck him out on a changeup. So Massey's starting to turn it over now. First pitch to the right-hander is shot to third. Speared by Hope. Throw to second 1. Deschamps' relay is in time. That is a Mandeville Seafood double play. High fly ball, deep right center field. Back is Kaplan, looking up. It's Gandolfo coming in. Barthon could hit one in the right center. It's going to be fun to watch those guys run. There's a drive to right. That's way back. Connolly going back, looking up. It's off the base of the wall. Alamese is going to be held up at third base. Again, you don't want to run out of it right now. You're down to look at. Downstairs, runners going. Rogers throw. Goodbye and good night. Alamese covering the. Kaplan drives it into left center field. On the move is Woodrow. It's going to be dropped. He did not get it. It rolls to the base of the wall. Kaplan is digging for 3. He'll make it sliding. 3 balls, 2 strikes here to Nicky Lopez. Here it comes. Swing and a miss. There's that good changeup. 4 runs, 3 walks, 3 strikeouts. Base hit left field. Right through the hole. Solid ground ball for Alamese, who continues to get on base. Philip Miller over at first. 1-1, runner to third. Ball is inside. Throw is high and safe. Stolen base. Yandel straddling the rubber with both feet. Rocks fire. Swing and a miss. He threw a fastball right by him. Late cut there by Ryan Fitzgerald. Next one. Curve again. Right back to the mound on a shot. 1 hop. Yandel spears it. 1-2. Change up right up the middle. Wilsey knocked it down. Now the runner's going to go home. Here's the throw to the plate. Burns got the short hop and tags him out. Got some scouts behind home plate. Strike 3 called. Fastball outside corner. 0-1. Shot to left center. That's a base hit. Symington will round third as the center fielder dropped the ball. Symington's coming home. Here's the throw. It won't be a throw. We're tied up. We are tied up. Drive to left. That is way back. It's way back. It's off the wall. It is over. It is over. Hunter Hope has defeated The Creighton Blue Jays with a bases-loaded single off the wall, and hope is being mobbed in shallow right center field. This one belongs to the Wave.